Hello and welcome to a Christmas recipe video from Eat Skinny Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a vegetarian Christmas roast packed full of flavour, lots of vegetables and really delicious. It is a great alternative to your classic Christmas nut roast and it is really delicious. I am going to be talking you through this one because there are lots of steps to make and I think it might be a little bit easier to follow along. So let's get cooking. Okay, into a saucepan you're going to put the 75 grams of dried Basmati rice, 150 milliliters of boiling water, a pinch of salt, and you're going to bring that back to the boil and then cover it, and you want to cook it for around about 25 minutes. Next, into a saucepan you are going to put 65 grams of dried lentils and some water, some cold water, bring that to the boil and cook that for around 20 minutes. In a large saucepan you are going to spray that with low-calorie cooking spray. You are going to add 1 chopped medium onion, 1 chopped stick of celery, and 2 teaspoons of chopped fresh herbs of parsley, thyme, rosemary and sage. Add some salt and some pepper, and you want to cook that down for around about 10 minutes until they are soft. You're then going to drain your lentils and put them aside. Okay, after 10 minutes, into your celery and onion, you are going to put your 1 teaspoon of paprika and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. This is the fun part. You're going to put 1 teaspoon of Marmite in this as well, so you can see it kind of wouldn't come off the spoon, so I stirred it and let it drip off at the same time. Really good. And at this point I did find that it did clump together. I think that's probably what should happen, so don't be disheartened if it starts sticking together. In another bowl you are going to put your tin of cannellini beans and you're going to mash them into a paste. Now this did look a bit disgusting, to be honest, but you just need to keep going. In another bowl you are going to put your mashed cannellini beans and your paprika, tomato puree, celery and onions into a bowl. You're going to add 1 grated medium carrot, and you're going to bind this all together with 1 large egg. Mix that all together. Then you're going to add your cooked lentils. And finally you're going to add in your cooked brown rice. Mix that all up, stir that all together. Add a bit more salt and a bit more pepper, just for extra seasoning. Then in a loaf tin you are going to line that with baking parchment, and then you're going to put the mixture into that and press it down gently. Next, on the top of that, you are going to put 15 grams of roughly chopped pecans. And finally 1 tablespoon of reduced fat grated cheddar cheese. Pop that into a preheated oven 180 or 160 fan for approximately 45 minutes. Take it out and slice it up. It will serve up to 4 people. So that is it, a Christmas vegetarian roast that I'm sure will make your Christmas day fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button, and if you'd like to keep up to date with new recipe videos from Eat Skinny Life, consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next one.